Okay, so what is this one?
Tolumba.
Tolumba, it's with...
Sugar, water, eggs, flour.
And you have one inside?
No.
No one.
Nothing inside.
Okay. And this one is like...
Spagna with water and sugar, flour, eggs. Like cake.
Yes.
Nothing inside, only sugar.
Okay, it's fine. And what are the traditional desserts?
Traditional is this more.
This one?
Yes.
What?
This black.
Like
And baklava.
baklava, but it's also you can find in Turkey also baklava and
And this, it's the name kadayıf.
kadai.
Kadayıf, yes.
Kadayıf. It looks like very a lot of sweet, no?
Yes.
This one is kadaf. This one. Okay.
It's too much sweet. All traditional. We have too much sweet.
I have tried trileche.
Trileche?
Trileche, yeah. It's good, but it's a lot of sugar also.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Also.
But this one is trileche, yes.
Yes.
It's a lot of sugar, but I like it. And I also love this one.
Grabier traditional.
How do you say grabier?
With butter.
But how do you say grabier?
Grabier.
Grabier. This one also?
Amaretta also is with traditional. With almonds inside.
I have tried this one. I love it, but my skin don't like it because it's too much butter inside.
Butter, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Crazy.
It's too much butter.
And this was not that much traditional. This one there, no.
Here it's this traditional.
Yeah.
The first.
The first one? This one, right?
It's like Finnish, yes. And the cake there is traditional also.
But
If you want, you can.
You can. Okay, if you don't know. But this name. Thank you. Thank you. What is this one? Is like. What is name?
Egg cream.
But how do you call it?
Si thumin e këtyre tortave? Si u themi këtyre tortave? Mareng.
Mareng. It's a traditional Albanian.
Mareng cake. Yes, it's traditional name.
It looks nice, but.
And this is with portion. It's like this, but.
It's portion.
Portion, yes.
Nice. Looks good, but.
Just a moment.
Yeah. You have Burek. This is good. I will be able to show the Burek one. Burek. This is. I love it, but it's too much.
Traditional.
Yes, this is. You have Burek with
Spinach?
spinach and cheese, or only spinach?
Spinach
mixed.
and cheese.
Oh my god, this is my
Mixed,
favorite.
yes.
But it's too oily for me. But it's so good.
Yes.
So good.
This is from city Albania that it's called permet.
This is permet, and you make with meat.
Yes, it's only meat. Head meat.
It's one from permet.
Yes, from permet. Our owner.
I've been in
is from
permet. Nice.
And she makes.
Shumë bukur permet. And this one is so you have burek with.
Onions and tomatoes.
I never tried.
And meat. But
Inside. Inside, so meat, onions.
Meat, onions and tomatoes. The smaller is with cheese.
Nice.
It's all traditional that I made in home. And this is homemade.
You made here?
Yes, here.
Nice. I have tried this one when I was in Kosovo. It's like Flija.
Traditional Flija.
Flija.
It's traditional from North Albania. Yes.
But how do you make it? It's a lot of how to say that?
It spent some time to.
Yes, I guess.
Yes.
It's good.
To make it.
I love burek with spinach and cheese so much, but it's not healthy.
We have with leek.
Leek?
Yes.
You have also
with leek, but for the moment,
no.
It's no.
And what is that?
I think, and this is too traditional.
But what is
The
it?
name is Asuda.
Asuda?
I don't know how to tell you.
But is it sugar, right?
Sugar, yes. Sugar.
But is it-
hazelnuts inside.
Is it like caramel? Things
Yes.
like
It's made with sugar.
Only sugar.
Only sugar and flour.
Ah,
Sugar
okay.
and flour. That's it. And water.
Okay. Yeah.
And hazelnuts.
Nice.
It's better.
Okay. No. And here you also make your own bread. But I mean, here in Albania, the bread is good. I like the bread in Albania.
More typical bread is this.
Bigger. Okay, so just like this is like Burek. How do you say Flija or Flija? Flija.
Yes.
And do you eat that with like yogurt or just like this?
With yogurt, yes.
Always.
With this. It's better with this.
It's
And Burek with this, it's
yeah.
better.
And why do you put milk with that? It's for the digestion. Why you add milk to Burek?
It's not milk, it's
yogurt. Kind, yes.
It's delicious, no?
It's not.
Taste.
Okay,
it's
this. Okay.
And this drink is traditional both.
Boze, what is it?
Yeah. Just a moment. It's with corn. This.
My mother will like it. I hate corns, but my mother loves corn, so. Okay. Only corns, and it's like.
Only corn and water.
Is it good? Is it good?
Yes.
I don't like corn much, but.
It's good more from our dad, our mom.
They used to drink a lot of that.
Yes, a lot.
Nice. But in the summer, more in the summer?
Yes, with ice cream it's perfect.
With ice cream?
Yes, this with ice cream, the best.
How do you say boze?
Both the name tradition.
Maybe I should try, but I don't like corn. But maybe I will try before I get a little. But boze, okay. Thank you. This is the place, Luara. You know Luara. But you also have a restaurant, no?
Yes, here.
Yeah, because I've tried the restaurant, was nice. Yes, okay, we'll take.
You tried?
Yes, was nice.
It's also traditional.
Yes. Luara, okay.
Luara is 20 years.
What is the meaning of Luara?
It's the village from our owner. The name.
In Permet?
In Permet, it's Luara village.
Okay. Thank you for letting me there, girl. Thank you. From France. Yes. Okay, I will. No, not show people. So, what is this plate?
Okay, this is the traditional dish from Albania. It's called Tavë kosi elbasani. We are famous for that. It's made with eggs, yogurt, a little bit of rice, and it's either with lamb or beef.
There is meat inside.
There is meat inside. Yes.
Okay.
You can find here grilled vegetables, baked potatoes. There is a very traditional appetizer. For us, it's called kupurec. It's made with lamb interiors.
This one?
Over there, yes. This is grilled chicken.
So how do you say Tavë?
Tavë kosi elbasani.
Tavë kosi. Elbasani. Okay. Okay.
You can find here the traditional sausage from Korça, Korça meatballs, or as they are known in Yugoslavian countries, cevapcicis. Very tasty. I highly recommend trying this.
Okay.
We have here Tavë Tirana.
It's from Tiranës.
It's from Tirana city, yes. Sorry. It is made with cotton cheese, peppers, tomatoes, and lamb interiors on it. It's served very hot.
How do you say?
Tavë Tirana.
Tavë Tirana. It's from Tirana.
Tirana city, yes.
So we cannot find other places.
You can also find other places, but
it's from Tirana.
Yes. You have here stuffed eggplant with vegetables.
This is good for people who don't want to eat
meat. Yes, for vegetarian. Also for vegan.
But I don't see if we see well eggplants.
Eggplant, yes.
Okay.
You can find next to it stuffed peppers with rice.
Yes, I've tried this one.
Also vegetarian and vegan.
How do you call that?
Speca tëmbushur in Albania.
Speca?
Speca tëmbushur.
Okay, speca tëmbushur. Okay.
You can find here stuffed potatoes with veggies and cheese, so it's vegetarian but not vegan.
Okay.
And my favorite, on top of all this, it's called Fërgesë.
Fërgesë.
Samarash in English. It is made with cotton cheese, peppers and tomatoes, also served very hot. Very nice, I highly recommend to try.
It's good but not healthy. A lot of cheese, but it's very good.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. And this is like you make
meat from the grill.
From zgara.
From zgara, yes.
You say zgara in Albania it's to when you make the food with when you make the meat on the grill.
Yes, and we use carbon for heater, not gas or electricity.
Ah, okay, that's why there is a nice taste. Okay, faleminderit. Thank you. Yeah.